Hey everybody, my name is Gary. I'm not a bartender. Welcome to Casually Drinking. In this episode, I'm going to be making my first blended drink. Don't read what it says, but be assured it's a blender. As you might have guessed, with the Peeps and Easter around the corner, I'm going to be making an Easter cocktail. I apologize that I didn't put up any Easter decoration, so here's a picture of a bunny. If you like what you see, give a like and subscribe if you're new, and hit that bell notification icon to see when I upload. And comment what drink you would love to see me make, because I haven't got any comments of recommendations lately, so yeah, thanks. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started with the ingredients. Some things you're going to be needing is Malibu coconut rum, coconut milk, cream of coconut, pineapple juice, red raspberries, and yellow Peeps. I wasn't able to find pink one, so I used yellow. You're also going to be needing marshmallows and pink glitter to rim your glass. I recommend heating the marshmallow. Now that we know our ingredients, let's get to mixing. Now the recipe doesn't call this, but I think I'm gonna add half of a Peep. There you have it, the Peeps Easter cocktail. If you like what you see, please give a like and subscribe, and hit that bell notification icon to see when I upload. Also be sure to comment. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Easter, and as always, later.